What's up, everyone? Fish around and find out here, and welcome back to the channel. Today is my day off, so I'm going fishing, obviously, but there's like 20-mile-an-hour winds out there. So I am fishing a very small lake that should be sheltered from the wind, but it's got bass in it, it's got panfish. Let's see how we do. Fish of the day, bluegill. There we go. Now I can see this Senko in the water. It was going the other direction. So I just set the hook. Little bass. That was bluegill. That's how I can tell it was a bluegill. The O-ring is still there and the weed guard has not been tripped. But it was a big enough bluegill to grab the Senko. So in addition to the horrendous wind today, this water is pretty stained, which is not typical. Looks like it's got a lot of tannins in the water. So I'm using some very brightly colored baits. I have a chartreuse Senko and I have a bright pink paddle tail. That doesn't even make sense. But there he is. It's time for another fish around and find out field tip of the week. Now, if you're out in the woods and you need to know what time it is, or you need to know how much daylight you have left, here's a simple trick. So to determine how much daylight you have left, all you need to know is where the sun is in the sky, and it's right there. And you need to know where it's going to set, and it's going to set right about there. One hand width between the horizon and the sun at arm's length gives you roughly 1 hour. So there's one, there's two, and there's three. Roughly 3 hours. 3 hours of daylight left. Now I happen to know that the sun is going to set today at 8:36. So let's see how close I am. It is 5:43. So I am within 7 minutes using my hand technique. Now there are things that come into play with this, like if it's a super cloudy day and you can't see the sun, it's not going to work. Or if you have really tiny hands or gigantic catcher mitt hands. But those are things that you have to figure out on your own. For me, it's just about perfect. So one hand width is 1 hour, which means that one finger is 15 minutes. So you can get pretty close using this method. Now, if you know when the sun is going to set, that's going to give you a more accurate depiction of what time it actually is. But if you need to know how much daylight you have left, this will give you a good estimation. There we go. That's a fish. Wow, that was underwhelming, sir. But still a fish. Okay, that didn't take long. Wow. The tiniest bass. The bluegill. Acting like a bluegill. Oh. It's a green sunfish. And another bluegill. Look at that. Who would have thought? There we go. Oh, crappie. Not quite big enough to keep, but crappie are school fish. And if I went back out there, I could probably catch some more now that I know where they are. But I'm getting cold and I want to go home. So they'll be here next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you get the notification when my next video drops. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you next time.